Good morning. It is Monday and I'm starting a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. We were both off last week for the past actually 9 days. So I'm just getting back into the swing of things because we were on a couple trips last week. So starting off fresh Monday. Today I'm giving him a Snapple Kiwi Strawberry. By the way, that's the coffee going in the background. In the plastic bottle. A Schweppes ginger ale, of course, as always, a water cooler. Leftovers today. We got back from our second trip and I made some spaghetti and meatballs. They're just beef meatballs sauce that I made and had frozen. I just thawed it out and cooked the meatballs in the sauce, and then of course the spaghetti on the bottom. I've got a couple slices of a cantaloupe here, banana, one of these Cinnamon Toast Crunch soft baked bars in the cinnamon swirl flavor. I found these, I believe, at Walmart. They are smaller than I thought they were going to be. That's just a heads up, but as far as I know, Matt said they were pretty good. Just taste like the cereal if you like the cereal. They did have a few other flavors as well at Walmart. I've got a cherry light and fit Greek yogurt, and then a original flavor little Pringle cup. And that's everything he is taking today. We will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Good morning. It is Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm giving him a Snapple Kiwi Strawberry in the plastic bottle, a Gatorade Bolt 24. This is the mixed berry hydration with electrolytes flavor. And leftovers, we had some grilled chicken and grilled veggies and rice last night for dinner. So I cut up one of the larger leftover breasts. The bottom, it's hard to see here, but it's a bed of rice. On the bottom, it's the Near East rice pilaf, some grilled veggies. We've got bell peppers, zucchini, onion, and then I did drizzle a little bit of the Stubbs brand barbecue sauce on the meat just because chicken breast is dry on its own and it does dry out a little more when you reheat it. So I just put a little Stubbs on just the chicken to give it a little bit more flavor. A Uncrustable from Smucker's in the peanut butter and grape. I used to pack these for Matt all the time. If you're an OG lunch watcher from like, I don't know, 6 to 8 years ago, you might remember these, but I do get them every once in a while. I actually had gotten a box, I don't know, last month for a play date. We had a handful of kids over and I wanted to get a bunch of different things that were easy for them for like a lunch option since they all were picky. But anyways, I have some of these left over, so I'm just trying to work my way through them. Another of these Cinnamon Toast Crunch soft baked bars that I packed for him yesterday. A banana, and then these are some extra toasty Cheez-Its, which we absolutely love. It's one of our favorite family snacks. But this is what he is taking today, and we will see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm giving him today an Arizona fruit punch juice thing. I got a case of a variety pack of these at BJ's just for something different. I've never purchased them before, so I just wanted to switch up his drinks. Just a mini 7-Up, and of course, as always, the water cooler. I did pack up the large Sistema brand, like all-in-one lunchbox today. So on the top tray, I've got the cheese roll-ups from Aldi with 2 thick slices of smoked turkey, a little bit of mayo, salt and pepper, and then I just roll them up. They're actually pretty large. It's hard to tell on camera. So I've got 2 of those, which is pretty much equivalent to like a sandwich minus the bread. I've got some Hormel natural, like no nitrate pepperoni, some strawberries, some cantaloupe, and some blackberries in this deeper container here. And then underneath here I have an Uncrustable, like I said yesterday, I think. We just need to go ahead and use these up. I don't really buy them for Matt anymore. I only get them when we have kids here. And then this is one of the Entenmann's brand mini like brownie cookie bars. I also got these at BJ's. I haven't tried them yet, but I just stuck that in there because there was room next to the Uncrustable, and then under the pepperoni I just have some extra toasty Cheez-Its, a banana. I'm also going to throw in a granola bar, and Matt's having a big breakfast this morning. I made a homemade breakfast sandwich. We have leftover potatoes and fruit, so this will be good for the day along with the banana and the granola bar. But that's what's going on for today, and we will see you tomorrow on Thursday. Good morning. It is Thursday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm giving him an Arizona mango juice thing. Again, I got these in a case variety pack at BJ's. They each say $1, which I've seen these like at stores for $1, but the case was like 24 variety pack, different flavors for like $14.99, so it was obviously cheaper than paying $1 each. A kiwi, a strawberry Snapple. I've got just a good old butter bread. We like the Sara Lee butter bread with turkey, mayo, cheese, and lettuce. Very simple and basic. That's what I had out right now. Just a small portion of leftovers. It's kind of like just a side portion. I made like a low carb. It's like a sausage, cabbage, and then tons of different veggies. There's like peppers, onions, obviously the cabbage, broccoli, garlic, celery, and then you just saute it up with the cabbage and a little bit of olive oil and a bunch of seasonings. I used oregano, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and salt and pepper. I've got some sweet pickles that my parents canned last summer that we're just getting into. They've been making these for years. They're really good, like nice bread and butter pickles. One of these Entenmann's brownie, it's like half brownie, half chocolate chip cake bar. I got these at BJ's as well. And then just some good old classic red bag Doritos. And that's what he is taking today for lunch. We will see you tomorrow on Friday.